Hello, friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Break one head of cauliflower gently into florets. Take your time here. Cauliflower is soft and delicate, and a gentle touch helps it keep that lovely texture. Inside, it's full of natural fiber and protective plant compounds that quietly support digestion. I'd so happy to hear where you're from. Share your city and country. If you're in the U.S., please tell me your state too. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Carefully add the cauliflower to the boiling water. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it cook for about 4 minutes. Now, separate one broccoli into florets. As you do, notice how firm and vibrant it is. Broccoli is one of those quiet power vegetables packed with vitamins and natural compounds that help protect your cells and support steady, lasting energy throughout the day. If anything in the recipe is unclear, please leave a comment and I'll answer as soon as possible. Lift the cauliflower out of the water with a slotted spoon. Liking this video is a wonderful way to show your support. In that same hot water, gently add the broccoli. It already carries flavor and warmth from the cauliflower. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, just until bright and tender. Then lift it out with a slotted spoon as well. Friends, if you enjoy what you see, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more recipes like this one. Now finely chop half of a white onion. As the knife moves, that familiar aroma rises, a sign of the onion's natural plant compounds that gently support circulation while building a deep, comforting base for the dish. Next, add olive oil to a warm pan. Then toss the chopped onion. Cook it over medium heat, stirring slowly until it turns soft and fragrant. Olive oil works quietly here, helping the flavors unfold at their own pace while being kind to the heart. Next, cut 1 carrot into small cubes. Those bright orange pieces bring a touch of natural sweetness and beta-carotene, which supports vision and overall vitality. Add the carrot to the pan and let it cook with the onion for a few minutes, just until everything softens and starts to smell inviting. Now, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. As soon as it hits the pan, that warm, familiar aroma tells you it's doing its job. Garlic brings depth, comfort, and natural plant compounds that help support the immune system. Let it cook gently, just until fragrant, keeping the flavor soft and rounded, never sharp. Next, slice 8 to 10 mushrooms. Mushrooms add fiber and natural antioxidants, helping the meal feel satisfying without being heavy. Add them to the pan. Stir everything well so the vegetables cook evenly. As the mushrooms cook, they release that deep, earthy aroma that makes the whole dish feel richer and more comforting. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then give it another gentle stir, letting the flavors settle and blend. Now cut 1 red bell pepper into thin strips. Its bright color and natural sweetness lift the dish instantly, while the vitamin C supports both immunity and healthy skin. And add it to the pan. Let it cook briefly, just until it softens. Next, slice 1 yellow bell pepper into strips. Yellow peppers add a gentle sweetness and warm, sunny color, helping all the flavors and textures come together in a soft, balanced way. toss it in. Let all the vegetables cook together for a few more minutes, then turn off the heat. Finally, cut 10 cherry tomatoes in half. Their fresh, juicy bite and gentle acidity bring lightness and balance, finishing the vegetable mixture on a bright note. Now, give the vegetables in the pan one final stir so everything is evenly mixed. And remove the pan from the heat. Take a baking dish and place the cauliflower first. Add the broccoli on top. Now spoon the warm, sautéed vegetables from the pan over the cauliflower and broccoli. Gently mix, just enough to combine everything without breaking the texture. Scatter the cherry tomatoes over the top and give it one last light mix. You want the colors and flavors evenly spread. Next, crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Eggs create the base of this dish, bringing complete protein and steady energy that helps the body feel nourished and supported throughout the day. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Add 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters of olive oil to the eggs. Mix again. Then pour in 2 cups or 500 milliliters of milk. Stir until smooth. Slowly add 1 cup or 130 grams of flour. Mix carefully so the batter stays light, soft, and even. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Parsley adds a fresh, clean note and provides vitamins that support immunity and bone strength. And stir it into the mixture. Pour the egg mixture evenly over the vegetables in the baking dish, letting it settle into all the layers so everything bakes together beautifully. Finally, grate a soft cheese, such as Emmental. Sprinkle it generously over the top. Place the dish into a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 40 minutes until golden and fragrant. When it's ready, take the casserole out of the oven. Cut it into pieces. Place a portion on a plate. The vegetables are tender, the egg base is soft, and the cheese brings everything together into one warm, satisfying dish. This is food made with care, nourishing, balanced, and meant to be enjoyed slowly. Remember, healthy food does not need to be complicated. When you choose simple ingredients and cook with attention, you give your body exactly what it needs: comfort, strength, and a little joy in every bite.